In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower price on Facebook Marketplace 2026, step by step. If you've got an item that isn't getting enough attention, a quick price adjustment can help it surface in more searches and spark new interest. We'll walk through the exact flow on Facebook using a web browser, and you'll see how to make the change cleanly and confidently. Start by heading to facebook.com/marketplace or open Facebook and go to the Marketplace section. This is your hub for buying and selling, and it's where you'll find the tools to manage your listings. Once you're on the Marketplace page, look for your profile icon within Marketplace. That's the area that shows options related specifically to your selling activity, not just your general Facebook profile. Open that profile area and choose your listings. Here you'll see everything you've posted for sale, including active items, drafts, and anything you've recently updated. Find the item you want to discount and select it. Taking a moment to confirm it's the right listing can save you from changing the price on the wrong product, especially if you sell similar items. With the listing open, click Edit Listing. This is the workspace where you can adjust details like photos, title, description, category, and most importantly for today, the price. We'll focus on the price field. Enter your new number clearly and consistently with your currency settings. If you're unsure how much to drop, small strategic reductions often perform well and still protect your item's perceived value. You can also check recent local results for similar items to align your price with real demand. Keep in mind any extra costs you might still cover, such as packaging or delivery you've agreed to offer, so your new price still makes sense for you. After setting the new price, click Save. Your change will publish right away and the updated amount should appear on the listing view immediately. Buyers who have saved or viewed your item may see that price change, which can help re-engage interest. If you don't see the save option or the button is grayed out, make sure all required fields on the listing are filled correctly. Sometimes the system needs a complete set of details before it will accept edits. That's the full process. Open Marketplace, go to your profile in Marketplace, open your